Hi, this is Anya with AnswerRocket. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your data to AnswerRocket using SAP HANA and start asking questions. AnswerRocket is like Google search for enterprise data. You can connect AnswerRocket to any data source and get answers from enterprise data by simply asking. SAP HANA is an in-memory computing platform for processing high volumes of operational and transactional data in real time. It combines database, application processing, and integration services on a single platform. AnswerRocket uses HANA to allow non-technical users to do big data discovery and visualization using natural language. Our demo dataset is based on a national retail chain with 300 stores. We have 1.5 million transactions between 2013 and 2015 for 1,300 products. To ask questions in AnswerRocket, I simply start typing my question into the search box. I can also use speech-to-text functionality to ask, what were the top Coca-Cola products by sales growth last year? The top products were regular Coke, Mexican Coke, and Diet Coke. I want to know the actual sales numbers, so I'm going to add, and what were their sales? Regular Coke had the most sales, and caffeine-free Coke had the least. Now I want to ask about the sales of Coca-Cola products in particular regions. I'm going to clear the search box and type, what were the best-selling Coca-Cola products last year in the Southeast? The best sellers were caffeine-free Diet Coke, followed by Classic Coke. I'd like to know how these products performed in a different region, so I will add, compared to the Midwest. This chart is sorted by sales for the Southeast. To change the sort order, I can go to the Visualizations panel and select the Midwest as the sort order. In the Midwest, Coke Zero was actually the best seller, followed by Classic Coke. To see more information on this question, I can look at the data certificate. This tells me exactly how each word in my question was mapped to a data object and what data sources were used, and the actual HANA SQL that AnswerRocket generated. I can also head over to the HANA Trace console and see how the question was processed. Connecting and setting up the data to use with AnswerRocket is simple. The data is loaded into HANA. We are using the HANA IDE to look at the tables. Then, to connect the data to AnswerRocket, we go to the data screen and type in my credentials and select my schema. AnswerRocket is now analyzing the tables and pulling in the data. We then add a domain model on top of the data to translate natural language into the data fields. This diagram shows the relationships between the fact and dimension tables. As the domain model is populated, I can go back to Q&A and start asking questions. Using AnswerRocket with SAP HANA, you can connect to and ask questions of your data. Thanks for watching. To learn more, request a demo at answerrocket.com.